In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google VO3 subscription. If you've decided it's time to end your subscription, I'm here to help guide you through this process. Grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll need to go to Google Gemini. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Gemini. This is the starting point for managing your Google subscriptions. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. Ensure you're signed in with the account that is currently linked to your Google VO3 subscription, as this will be important for correctly locating your active subscriptions. After logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will find the menu icon. Clicking on this will open a range of options. Navigate through these options and find the section labeled Settings and Help. Selecting this will bring you closer to managing your subscription details. Now, look for an option that says View Subscriptions. This is where you'll be able to see an overview of all the subscriptions currently active under your account. Select it, and it will take you to a detailed list of your subscriptions, including Google VO3. Next, you'll need to click on the Settings option. You should find this at the top right corner of the page. The settings area allows you to make adjustments or changes to your subscriptions. It's an essential step in the process, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you're in the settings section, you'll see an option that says Cancel Membership. Click on that to initiate the cancellation process. Google may prompt you with a few follow-up questions. They do this to understand better why you're canceling the service, which helps them improve their offerings. Feel free to provide feedback or skip this step if you're in a hurry. Finally, you'll need to confirm your cancellation. This is a crucial step because it ensures that the subscription will actually be terminated. You should receive a confirmation message or email once this is complete, serving as a final acknowledgement of the cancellation. Be sure to double-check the cancellation to ensure everything is processed correctly. If you wish to subscribe again in the future, you'll be able to do so without any hassle, as all your information is linked to your Google account. And there you have it. You've now successfully canceled your Google VO3 subscription. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.